Hi, I'm Daisy.
And I'm Miranda.
And today we're going to be making
a snowman.
So you will need something to draw on, something to draw with, and something to color with. First, we're going to need to draw the ground. So we're going to draw a line, but you don't want to make it perfectly straight. You want to make it a bit wobbly so that it looks like snow. Now we want to make the head. It is going to be an upside down U shape, or a sideways C, just like this. Now we have to draw the scarf. So for the scarf, we are going to want to start about halfway up one side of the head and come down and out and then go back in. Looks a bit like a double circle right now. Now we're gonna make the middle snowball. So you want to come from the scarf and make the middle snowball. So I'm gonna start about the middle, make a nice middle snowball. Now, I'm gonna make the end of the scarf. I'm gonna draw two lines on the scarf, but they're gonna be going outwards, like this. They will slant out. And then we can draw some lines on the scarf to decorate it some more. So I'm just gonna draw a few lines on the scarf, like that. Now I'm gonna do the same on this part of the scarf. Draw some lines. Make sure you want to curve them. Look how I'm curving these that direction. Then the same on the other side. Curving them in that direction. In the middle, you can do this. Another one there. Now we have to make the bottom part of the snowman. So we're gonna draw a very big snowman. I'm gonna draw another circle. I've had a lot of snow to make a snowman this big. So now we have the body of our very big snowman. Now we have to make a hat. So I am going to draw a line across the top of the snowman's head. So now it has a straight line on top of it. Next, we have to draw a rectangle, but we are going to look, and when you see where the head comes in, put a little dot there. So see how it has a little dot right there? And then you want to put another dot on the other side. See the dots? And then you are going to start there. Those are going to be the sides of your rectangle. So you're going to draw the two lines going up, and then you are going to connect them. Now we're going to make the bottom of the snowman's hat a bit thicker. So we're going to draw another line on top of this. Not too far apart though. Just about like this. Then you're going to want to connect the ends. See how I connected the ends there? And then you're going to want to color it in. You can always pause the video at any time if we are going too fast. Now, what is one thing that our snowman needs?
A face.
We are going to draw 2 little dots, the top of his head, not too close to the top, in between the top and the middle of his head. That's where you want to make it. So we have 2 dots there, starting to look more like a snowman now that it's starting to get a face. And then for the next part, you're going to want to make the nose. For the nose, you're going to want to draw 2 dots underneath the eye on the left. So it should be looking like that right now. So you have 2 dots underneath that eye. And then you are going to want to draw the nose so that it's nice and pointy. So the ends of the nose that are here and here, that was where your dots were. And this is your other dot there. If you want to make a dot here before you connect them, you can. And now we are going to make a line, curvy line there, and a curvy line here, and a curvy line again at the end. Now, what else do you think our snowman needs to complete its face?
I think it needs its mouth.
Yeah. So now we're going to make some circles, because those are like the rocks that you use to make a snowman's mouth. You can make them all different sizes or the same size. I'm going to make mine all different sizes. Make one here, smaller one here, a bigger one in the middle, medium one, and then a small one. And there you have it. A snowman with a face. Now there's just one thing missing. What do you think our snowman needs? Actually, there's 2 things missing. Do you think you can tell me both of them?
It needs color.
It also needs 2 arms and 3 buttons. So for the arms, we're going to draw a line sticking out of its body. But you don't want to make it perfectly straight because sticks aren't ever perfectly straight. So I'm going to kind of draw it like this. And then for the hands, we're going to draw kind of a crooked V. So it looks like a V shape. And then we're going to draw one more crooked line to complete the middle of our hand. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So now our snowman looks like this. The last thing we need to do before we can color it is make buttons. So we're going to make 2 circles, decent sized circles. So you don't want to make them too small. And then, so we'll make 2 on the middle part and then 1 at the top of the bottom. And then we're going to color them in.